Welcome to the second tutorial video for the profit protection system. This is Josh Wilson from Forex Successful Traders, and in this tutorial video we're going to be covering the FX Journal tab down here. This is the tab where we will be inputting our results on a daily basis. So to start off with, over here on the left hand side is the date. So you see here this is the 1st of January for 2012, all in this area here. Now up here we have our different months, so January, February, and so on. So let's just do a couple different examples of a few different trades that we could take. So let's say we took a euro-dollar trade, and in this second tab we enter the time, and it has to be in military time. So let's say we took this trade at 11 o'clock in the morning. Go ahead and enter that in, and in this column is where we're going to put the pips or points that we made in the trade. So let's say we made 8 points on this one. Now here's where we select if it is active or a passive trade. Now with the FXPM software, it's very easy to define what type of trade you're taking. On the buy side, if you're looking at the software, there's different shades of green. So the first shade of green is going to be our passive B1. The second shade of green, B2, third shade of green, B3, and so on. And vice versa with the sell side. When the price is up in the first red zone and you take a sell position, that is going to be a passive S1. And the second shade of red would be S2, S3, so on. So for this example, let's just say it was a passive B1. Now for the strategy, this is where we will input whether it's an appetizer trade, a power V trade, a salivator trade, or if you have customized a few of your own strategies, you can go ahead and select one of these, and you would just define say strategy 1 over here on your FX rulebook if you want to have custom strategies. Just choose power V for this example. And now the dollar amount we made. So let's assume that we are using our FX calculator and we're trading the first week, which tells us we should be trading 0.4 of a standard lot, which is equivalent to 4 mini lots. 4 mini lots is approximately $4 a pip. So if we made 8 pips, times that by $4, that'd be $32. And now let's do another example here on, let's say, dollar yen, and this one we took at, say, 4 p.m., so 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Now again, remember this is military time, so here we would go ahead and enter in 1600. Now for the points, let's say this trade was actually a negative trade. Let's say we took a 4-point loss on this one, and this one was a active sell position using the refuel strategy. And let's say we're still trading 4 mini lots, so approximately negative $16 is what we lost in the trade. Now you'll notice down here at the bottom of each day there's going to be a subtotal. So it's showing us so far for the day we had made 4 pips and up $16 for January 1st, 2012. Now if you're using an ECN broker, which is highly recommended for a few different reasons, and that will be explained in other videos throughout the membership area. With ECN brokers, you typically have a commission on top of the spread you're paying. So this is where we'd go ahead and enter in the commission we'd paid for the day. So let's say we paid $10 in commission. We'd put in negative 10. So overall for the day, we're net $6. Now if we go down here to the bottom of each month, we built in some really useful analytical tools to go ahead and measure your results and allow you to basically get an overview of how your trading has been. That way you can go back and optimize what you've been doing. So down here, the first one is our currency results. So it breaks it down how profitable or negative each currency pair has been for your trading. So as you get more and more results, and you have a month worth of data, this is very useful to go down here and quickly and efficiently see what has been your most profitable currency pair, and more importantly, where have you been losing the most money? Which currency pair have you been losing the most money? So if you've been losing, say, overall on the dollar yen, maybe you need to cut back and quit trading that currency pair and focus more on, say, the euro dollar, or a currency pair that you have been successful with and been consistently profitable. So a great way to measure here what are your most profitable currency pairs to trade. Now that's also displayed down here in a nice little chart, so you can visually see that. The next thing is our strategy results. So it breaks down how profitable each strategy is for your type of trading. So you'd go and you'd see all that down here. We continue going, and now it's going to show us from an active and a passive standpoint. How many passive trades have we taken that have been winners? How many active trades have we taken that have been losers, etc. So you can see it. Maybe you're making more money on active positions, so that's what you need to focus more on. Whereas passive B2s you've been losing a lot on. Again, just another way to review your trading results and then go ahead and optimize your strategy that you're trading. And down here you'll see it'll show what is the most profitable time for you to trade and what time should you not be trading. As you start your trading journey and you go along, you're going to find that your trading results are much better during the London session, or maybe you're losing a lot of money in the Asia session. So again, another way to break down your trading results to find the most profitable time for you to be trading the market. If you switch over to the quarterly results, this just breaks it down, not instead of like the FX journal, it's every trade. This just breaks it down on a daily basis. So you can quickly go through, and if you have a day where maybe you took a big hit, you can go back and you see that here, and then maybe you flop back over to your FX journal and find out what currency pair were you trading, what time were you, was that trade taken, and go back and try to find out why you took such a big loss, whether it's breaking your rules or maybe a news announcement came out like interest rates or non-farm payroll. Again, to review your trading results and always become a better trader day by day. So I hope you guys find this video useful. Again, this is something we all use here with FxST on a daily basis, and has really personally taken my trading to the next level, and I hope this also takes your trading to the next level. So again, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. This is Josh Wilson, and we'll see you in the next video covering FX profit work and the balanced P&L.